Good morning, friends. If I look super tired, it's because I am. Ali woke up like at 6 something and wanted to go back to sleep. So tired. It's like 8 now. Finally decided to actually get up. It's like 8 something, 8:30 almost. Hi. Hi, Mama. We just got back from California yesterday. I honestly didn't vlog really much at all at Disneyland. So I think I'm gonna combine that vlog with this one. Today's Monday the 21st. I'm off from work today. I requested today off and tomorrow off because tomorrow's my birthday. And I was like, I don't want to just request my birthday off, which is on a Tuesday. So I don't want to have to go Monday. I don't want to have to be off Sunday and then go Monday and then be off Tuesday. So just get all the days off. And then on Friday's Nevada Day, so we don't work at my job. So I'm only working Wednesday and Thursday this week, which is great because I need all the rest I can get. But anyways, I'm in the mood today. After I got home yesterday, I felt really sad and like depressed. Like, I don't know, it hit me a lot that I just came back to reality, even though the trip wasn't what I expected. Like, it was fun, but I also was very overwhelmed over there. And just obviously a lot of spending, which obviously, like, I knew getting into it that we were gonna spend a lot, but it just kind of hit me. Oh my goodness. And I got home and got very depressed and like had like a little mental breakdown. But today I woke up in a better mood. I feel like a better outcome, better view of life. I'm gonna actually calculate all the expenses which I've been dreading to do. So all the expenses that we did for Disneyland, because my boyfriend and I paid everything, like we're splitting everything half and half. So I have to calculate everything to see how much we each paid and then see how much money I have left. But I'm in the mood, which brings me to this. I'm in the mood to spend today. So I'm kind of wanting to go to the stores with Ali today. We'll see, to shop for myself, not for you, girl. We always shop for you. To shop for myself, that's a little like treat for my birthday, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun because my brush is still there in the bag and I don't want to go dig through it. I'm just gonna put it in a bun and get dressed to go get coffee and come home, make breakfast, and then we'll see what the day brings from there. It's like 60 something degrees outside. And I didn't think it was really gonna be cold, and it is. But it's like, it feels good. It doesn't feel like cold. But anyways, I haven't vlogged since the news broke about my favorite band ever. Liam's passing was literally such a shocker, you guys. I'm sure to everyone. I was at work when I found out. And I didn't even find out on my own. Like, a coworker told me. I was sitting doing work or whatever, and then one of my coworkers goes, "Who likes One Direction?" And then my friend's like, "Janet does." And my coworker was like, "Liam Payne just passed away." I was like, "What? Oh my god!" And then I started Googling it. Obviously, I think that's everybody's first like instinct is to Google it because we don't believe it's true. I Googled it, and there were all the articles saying that he passed, that he fell off his balcony of his hotel room. It was just very shocking, and it still is very shocking. I don't think a lot of us are ever gonna get over this, honestly. I never thought I would see the day where one of the One Direction members passed away. It is sad because, I mean, there was a lot of stuff going around, right, with Liam and like his past, like a lot of people bringing stuff up, that he was this, he was that. Oh, sure, yeah, go ahead. Go, dumbass. A lot of stuff that was being brought up about his past, and honestly, a lot of the fandom, the Directioners, were against him. And I even said, which, I mean, I was like, oh, that's so sad. But it makes me sad to think about it now, and the fact that I said it, because now, like, if they ever do a reunion, obviously it's without him. But I was like, oh, I'm fine with a reunion now without Liam. Because there was just a lot of stuff going on and stuff. But, I mean, we don't know who he really was, or like what things were actually, what stuff was actually true, what was not true. We don't know anything of it at this point. We were just running along with whatever people were saying. So I do feel bad for that, for what I said, and like, because I feel like he left thinking that like he didn't have anyone, like everyone had turned against him, and maybe that's what he was. That video of him like dancing at Niles. What are you doing? That video of him dancing at Niles' concert. I feel like that was a cry for help. He just wanted to feel that sense of being wanted again, like being Liam Payne from One Direction. He wanted that feeling that he was still somebody, that he was still loved. That makes me so sad. It's just, I don't know, it's just sad. And then Zayn postponed his tour. People are saying that he's like really going through it. I think he had a lot of regret because he never had like a final talk with him, because I know they had a lot of issues, him and Liam, Zayn and Liam. I can't even imagine how he's feeling, because imagine you were in a band with these members for such a long time, and then you end up not being in good terms with them, and then one of them just passes away, and you never got to say what you wanted to say to them. You never got closure with them. You never got to like mend things, I guess. That must really that must really suck for them. Anyways, I'm about to go get my coffee. I've been rambling on for 5 minutes, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna put in the vlog. And yeah, Ellie's getting a little fuzzy. We're here, baby. I'm like, this phone, it has like buttons, weird buttons on the side, because I got the 16 plus, by the way. But I got a sugar-free Golden Eagle, but I added banana to it. My friend slash nail tech Yvonne, shout out to her. Look at my cute nails, by the way. They're like Disney nails. But she told me to get the Golden Eagle with banana in it. So oh, that is so good. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. You guys need to try that. Shout out to Yvonne. Okay. Breakfast for Allie girl. She's gonna have 1 scrambled egg. And then she's gonna have some yogurt on the side. She likes this strawberry yogurt. I don't know what the brand is. I don't know what the brand is, but she likes the strawberry yogurt, and then some banana on the side. Let's scramble these eggs up, baby. Okay. I'll be getting our video. Oh, are you making this? Wow. Did I just shut this? I did. Baby, where are you? Banana and agua are her favorite things ever. There. Agua what? Mas? When she eats, she tells us, when she wants more, she tells us mas. She's so cute.
Mine's pink. Put it in your mouth. We're gonna chew it. Are you chewing your gum? Okay, now we're gonna blow a really big bubble. Are you ready? Wow! Oh no! Our bubble popped, and the sticky bubble gum is all over our hands. Sticky bubble gum makes your kiss stick to your head. And you pull them,
Bubble gum? Bunch of time later, but here's my breakfast. I have some chilaquiles, some eggs, some salchichas, and then this is just chorizo with carne from yesterday. So good. Watching Miss Rachel trying to get this girl to go to sleep. Allie's little playpen. I'm literally so tired, you guys. Like, so tired. My eyes burn. I truly, truly, truly miss sleeping in on my days off. I miss it so much. Oh my god. When does that return? Like, is there ever a point where the kids start sleeping in late? I guess it just depends on the kids, huh? Like, if they're like not morning people, not morning little people, then they'll sleep in. I don't know, but Allie girl, please. She's just since obviously she's set on this routine because every morning at 7 a.m. I take her to my mom's house so I can go to work. So it's obviously not her fault. She's used to waking up at that time, but I'm just so tired. I just want one day where I can sleep until like 10 a.m. One day. Yeah, JJ.
Girls like to eat nuts. Can you put in? Please. Thank you. Thank you.
We made boo baskets at work, and my friend knows me oh too well, and she got me a tripod, so we're gonna use it right now, put it to some use. She also got me these little bedazzled powder puffs. She also got me a migraine relief mask. I'm telling you guys, she knows me oh too well. There was more stuff in here, but I already like took some stuff out and used it. But some chocolates and this cup, you guys. This is such a funny story. This cup here, it's so cute. Has little cowgirl hats and cowgirl boots. I made her at-home matcha one day, like homemade matcha, and I took it to work for her in this cup that I owned before. And then she was like, can I take it home with me? She had a DMV appointment. She was like, can I take it home with me? I'll bring it back to you tomorrow, I promise. I was like, yeah, of course. She takes it with her, and then the next day she was like, about that, I think I lost it at the DMV. I was so sad. I was so sad because the cup was so cute. And then I looked for it everywhere. It's from Five Below. I looked for it everywhere, and then aquí está tu agua. I looked for it everywhere, and it was out of stock everywhere. And she ended up finding it and put it in my boo basket. That was so cute. Okay, anyways, let me wash the dishes before Allie gets too cranky. But the basket that she made me was so cute, guys. It's obviously all messed up now, but it was like pink and like black and silver themed. It was so cute. Okay, let's do this. I didn't vlog anymore. I've been so tired, and I just literally spent all day cleaning my apartment. It's so nice and clean, and I mopped and everything, but I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I don't know if this is gonna be a mixture of the Disney vlog or just a little vlog by itself. I think it might just be by itself, and the Disney one will be a short little vlog. But anyways, I'm so tired. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.